Powered by Smart 5G. Game tip-off brought to you by Honda, the official motorcycle of the PBA. Meralco, makakakuha ng unang possession sa ating laro.
Atake, pag hindi yung perimeter shot, kanan ang pinang-finish ni Rain. Oh, there it is. That's what Ginebra's waiting for, my friend. Those three-pointers coming from Stanley.
Double-digit lead for Barangay Ginebra. Meralco looking
For Nunu, for Chris Newsom, yung kanilang #1 scorer to bury some baskets.
Oh!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here comes that adjustment you were talking about, my friend.
Do you not know? Have you not heard? This guy, number 11, is a bad man, and his name is Stan. Not once, but twice. Leave him open.
Down by 15, and biggest dito sa ating ball game.
Pringle off the glass.
Starting to go nuts. Talking about me, he said 9 points. What? Talagang he's really gonna, you just feel he's gonna pour it on today.
Those were quality 18 minutes na nilaro nito si Baser Amer. Stanley Pringle continues to burn the hoop.
Pringle versus Quinto. Pringle looking to dance with the defense and makes a pay.
Stanley Pringle, a bunch of points para sa kanya. We got a 3-point. Wala, play on. Pero 7 points na lang itong hinahabol nila, James. Oh my goodness. I take that back. Take it 9 after that Stanley Pringle little floater. Katulong, we're seeing 14 points, make that 15 of Stanley Pringle. They're letting him shoot. Nobody closing out. Dito kay Chris Newsom has to be able to knock that down. Pero, just wheeling and dealing. Stanley Pringle.
The fourth and final quarter. Really trying to trap Pringle. He gets away though.
So hard to stop Stanley Pringle. My goodness.
Pringle wants this shot. Step back. Bang! Oh, piano. Pringle on the cut. Pringle on the drive. Pringle all the way.
You know what? 1 point, kala ko mawawan. Ito na dalawa na kasi. So, yeah, here, Barangay Ginebra will take game number 3, James.
What a win for Barangay Ginebra San Miguel, rebounding from their Game 2 loss against the Meralco Bolts on the back.